Hi superstars! Today we'll be talking about how to make money with UGC. Okay, so what's UGC? UGC is what's known as user-generated content. It's an authentic content created by a user, could be a user of a particular product or anything. And this content could be in the form of a review from the user, could be in a picture format, in video format, in text format, okay, for a brand. All right, my superstar, so you can make money by from UGC, all right, by creating content in any of this format for brands and organizations. The aim of all this content should be to drive traffic to the brand, and it should also give visibility to the brand. Okay, so with 0 followers or and no sophisticated machines or equipment, you can start UGC in Nigeria and make money. Okay, with the aim of this type of content should be that it should be genuine. So you don't need sophisticated materials, you don't need sophisticated machines to start creating content. With your phone and good lighting, you can create content of you using a product and then make good money from it. Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you step-by-step processes on how you can start UGC in Nigeria and then make money from it. All right, so let's delve in. Okay, so for those who are wondering, does UGC really work in Nigeria? Yes, it does. You can stay in Nigeria and create content for anyone in the world. Okay, all you have to do is place it out there on unique platforms, which I'll be mentioning to you in the course of this video. All right, and from there you are in business. All right, so creating content for brands is something that so many brands have come to realize that it enables them make sales, because so many people tend to believe a lot in what people say. Personally, if I want to buy a product, what I go look out for is the review from people who have used the product. I'll like check, do they have positive reviews? Do they have people who say good things about it, or do they have negative reviews? So once I get to read positive reviews about a product, it makes me know that the product is good and will like encourage me to go ahead and buy that product. So that is what brands have come to realize, that lots of people tend to buy a lot when they tend to get reviews from users. So that's where you come in. You can actually create content on how you use a product. Okay, you can say positive things about that product and then from there you make your money from it. Okay, you can actually create video content of you actually using the product. Okay, it could be something like a body cream, a cream you use every day. Okay, you could make reviews about that cream. Or okay, before this I had acne, but after using this cream the acne has gradually faded and it is gone. I no longer have acne. And guess what? People who have acne will tend to know that the product is good and will like rush and buy it. So lots of people, lots of brands have realized that this is a positive way to drive traffic to their products, and it also gives visibility for their products. And apart from that, they have realized that starting huge campaigns like adverts can be very, very expensive. Okay, the process of going to get people, makeup artists, you get a production team, you get pay people to come and do adverts and all that can be very, very expensive for brands. Okay, by the time they hire a scene, they hire lights, they hire people to act, it can be very, very expensive and it doesn't look real at all. So lots of brands have decided to settle for individuals who have the ability to create content, and if they have followers, better, and if they don't, it is still fantastic, as this will drive traffic to them from the followers these people have and from the products they use. So you can make money by creating content. First, to get started, you need to find a niche. You need to find a niche that works. Yes, we have so many niches. We have beauty industry, we have clothing industry, we have different industries, fitness industries. Okay, so any niche, you can find a niche We have technology that has to do with phones, devices, different niches. Okay, so you have to find a niche you are comfortable with, you can create content about, like an everyday thing comfortably without sweating. Okay, you could create content with something you have in your house. Is it that body cream you love, you use, and is working perfectly for you? You can create content of you using the body cream, and then you speak positively about it, and then you put it out there, and before you know, brands will get to reach out to you. If that face cream you've been using and it works, make a video about it, talk about that face cream, hype that face cream in such a way that people will be like wondering, oh, it works. Put your before and after pictures, show people that it actually worked, as this is what will convince other people to buy that product. Okay, and once brands see that you have the ability to convince people regarding their product, they will definitely sign you up. But you know what, my superstars, whatever niche it is you choose, it has to be something you can keep doing. Okay, like on my channel, I talk a lot about businesses you can do to make money, and for a while I focused more on palm oil. And some time ago, someone reached out to me that I can make money by advertising a machine. Okay, so this company was not a company I know, it was not a renowned company. So I didn't offer to create content and advertise the brand, because by advertising it, it will mean driving sales to that company. And since I didn't know if it was genuine or not, I decided not to create content about that brand. So you see, as you create content about the product you're using, brands will reach out to you to advertise, to create content about their products, and from there drive traffic to them, and while you get paid. So if you're good with makeup, okay, if you're good with makeup, you could choose a particular brand of makeup and make content about that makeup brand, of you making up with that. Is it mascara, is it a face powder or whatever? You create content using it, and before you know it, the company could reach out to you to advertise more about it, and then you get paid. So whatever niche it is you choose, it should be something that you can talk about. It should be something that is not saturated. It's something you can do very, very comfortably, and you are very, very sure about, because believe it or not, you're going to be like a representative for that brand with time. And whatever niche it is you choose, you have to stick to it. You don't have to jump around, so that by the time brands will come to your page and all that, they'll be able to see that you have focus and direction, and then they'll reach out to you and do business with you. You don't have to do tech today, tomorrow you're doing fitness, tomorrow you're doing makeup, tomorrow you're wearing clothes. Okay, you have to stick to a particular niche. Okay, if you're not really sure about your niche, then it's okay to try different things. But once you get to find out what you are good at and what you love, then you have to stick to it and let people know you for it. And with time, brands will reach out to you, individuals will reach out to you, and from there you can make money. Okay, so the next thing after you found your niche is that you have to build your portfolio. Yes, you have to create a content of what it is you want to be known for, and then pin it on your page. Okay, if you're using TikTok, is one platform that is commonly used by people. There are lots of brands that go out there to scout for talent, for UGC, people who can advertise their products and all that. So whatever niche it is you choose, you have to create a content and then pin it on that your page. Okay, all right, you have to write something about you, write on your about profile. You have to let people know that you do UGC about, is it makeup, about makeup? If it's about clothes, you write about clothes and all that. Let people know what you are known for and what you are good at. You have to create a very convincing and very unique profile about yourself and pin it on your page. Okay, so like I said, TikTok is one page that lots of brands go look for people to do UGC for them. So you can pin it, and from there they'll get to reach out to you, and you keep creating content on that niche. You don't have to be lazy about it. And guess what, my superstars, money does not just land when you start. You may have to put in the work for about a month or two before you get to see people who will reach out to you and then decide to work with you. Okay, it doesn't just happen automatically. You have to put in the work. If you've noticed on this channel, I put in a lot of work. I've not been lazy. Okay, so you have to keep working. You have to keep showing up. You have to be consistent, and with time, you'll be known for it. You have to put yourself out there. Like I said, platforms like TikTok are amazing for UGC. You have to be out there on TikTok so brands can see you. If brands do not see you, you have to look for brands. There's this saying that if the mountain does not go to Muhammad, then Muhammad will go to the mountain. Okay, so in a case where brands do not reach out to you, you can put up a video about any brand you would love to work with. Create content, something unique, nice about hyping them, talking about their product and all that. Create a video content or whatever content it is you want, and then reach out to them. Okay, you can reach out to them. From there they will get to know you and do business with you. Once you start one and you add the review on your page, then more and more and more will keep coming. Okay, so I know someone is wondering, what kind of content will I create? Yes, you can create videos about you unboxing a product. Okay, we have lots of unboxing videos. Unbox a product excitedly, beautifully. Okay, right? So you can do a video about you unboxing a product. You can also do a video about you using a product. You can use the art of storytelling. That is, you could tell what happened, how it worked, and tell us, make it interesting, make it intriguing, such that it will drive sales. Okay, so you can use the art of storytelling to do your UGC. So you can also find a problem and solve. Okay, if you had a problem, as in you had a situation at home or anywhere and there was a challenge, and then you used a particular product to solve that problem. Okay, you can also do a video about your problem, the problem you had, and how that product was able to solve that problem. And from there you give it to the company, and that is it, by superstars. Okay, so UGC is one great way people are making money online in Nigeria. Personally, I know lots of people who are making money from UGC. They started as content creators. They were just doing it for fun. I know someone on Facebook who was just doing content of makeup, using different products for makeup, doing different makeups, and before you know it, brands reached out to her and now she's big in it. I also know someone who used to create content from wearing clothes. She just loved clothes, so she used to do get ready with me kind of videos of her wearing clothes, different clothes, traditional clothes, work clothes, okay, different types of clothes. She started small, and before you know it, people started sponsoring her videos. Some people sent her clothes. Okay, business owners sent her clothes to wear and make content and make videos, get ready with me videos, and at the end of it, she would advertise the business owners and where people can get those clothes. And with time, she grew and grew from it, and now she's making good money from it. So there are different ways you can make money from UGC. Or is it someone who was into fitness, and on each fitness video she wore different sporting outfits, okay, and advertised the brands where she got those sporting outfits from. Okay, she kept growing and growing, and now she's okay. So there are different ways you can start. Like I said, initially it may look like you're not making money, like you're wasting your time, but if you're consistent, you would make money. So my superstars, would you be trying out UGC? Like I said, you don't need sophisticated materials. You can start with your phone and go from there. All right, let me know in the comment section what you think about UGC. Will you be trying it out? Okay, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. And have you liked this video, my superstars? What are you waiting for? Hit the like button. Go for it, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.